So my van is still not fixed. 8 mechanics later. Good times. This is the continuing saga. Stay tuned. If anyone can help me figure this out or has any suggestions, please leave a comment below. So let's see what happens when I go to the stop sign and turn left. Because I could just hear it backing out of Ashton's driveway, clunking and groaning as I hit the brake. This is after another fresh set of brake pads, fresh bearing on each side, grease all the way around, ball joints checked, and taken for full inspection of the wheels. I'm so happy that they took my credit card. They weren't going to at first. And then when I drove away, they called me and said that they were gonna take it.
Howdy y'all, it's moving day today.
Got my new tires, everything's checked. Ready to roll.
I have a new road pal. No, you stay there. I'm trying to train her. Anyway, I had a really rough day yesterday, and I'm glad everything is okay today. Back on the road, heading to my next job. Make a little money to try to finish repairing this vehicle, and then maybe we'll see you back on the East Coast. I love you.
There goes the Statue of Liberty in the Susquehanna River, Central PA. So I was just slowing down on that hill back there, and my whole van was shaking. It's still shaking. It's the driver's front wheel. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I've got 545 miles to ride. So hopefully I can make it there. Okay, I'm trying to do 60 and I can't continue. This is thumping like under my feet. I could feel it, and it's not safe to drive this vehicle. So I'm gonna have to get to the next town, or if worse comes to worse, get a tow. And I'm out here on Route 322 heading west. If anybody knows of any good mechanics out here, though I don't have any money either. I just spent it all on my other repairs. I'm maxed out on my credit cards from all this stuff. This is exhausting. This beautiful scenery, though. Leaves are starting to turn. Thank you for watching and listening to my rant. I am beside myself right now. I'm tired of van repairs and tapped and drained literally my bank. Check the description below if you'd be a deer. Thanks, guys.